Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to do a question and we are going to learn a concept based on quite an important topic, that is equations reducible to quadratic. Now these will be the equations which are not at all quadratic by their appearance, like you can see the example, but yeah, we can reduce it to quadratic to solve. Solve means ultimately we need to get the value of x. So let us see how to do it. So here is the question, and as I told that by just appearance it does not look like a quadratic. So the first step is that we have to try to do some operations or some steps so that it becomes a quadratic equation. So to make power 2, what I'll do, I'll just square up on both the sides. Okay, I'm just telling you that this is how you have to think. Okay, please understand that thought process so that you can solve any of the similar type of question with ease. So my first step is that I'll be squaring on both the sides. So if I square on both the sides, I will get 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 minus x whole square. Then I have to just expand this square using the formula of a minus b whole square. So I'll just write down the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula which we are going to use. This is just written for your reference. So it will be 2x minus 3 is equal to a square, that is 9, minus 2ab. So it will be minus of 2 3x, means 2 times 3 times x. So it will be 2 3s are 6 times x, and then I have finally x square. Now if you look at the equation carefully, it is a quadratic. We need to just rearrange it so that it looks in its usual form. So for that, what will I do? I'll just bring all the terms from left to the right. Accordingly the signs will change. So it will be x square minus 6x, this 2x comes on the other side, it will become minus 2x, and then 9 is already there, and minus 3 comes on the other side, it will become plus 3, and that is equal to 0. The next step is x square minus 8x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now from here only we can see that from the given equation from the beginning, this was given, and we have actually got a proper quadratic equation which can be solved very easily. Okay, so after this I'm hopeful that if you have some prerequisite knowledge about factorizing quadratic equation, you can very easily solve it. If you want me to make video on that also, you can put it in the comments. Okay, so after that we can just factorize it. So the factors which on product gives me 12 and on addition or subtraction gives me 8 will be 6 and 2. I'll just write it down as x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12, and then I'll just rearrange the terms and I'll take something common if there is any. So from the first two terms it will be x common, x minus 6 will be left in the bracket. Then from the last two terms it will be negative 2 common, so x minus 6 will be left in the bracket. Now over here, this is a very important step where we have to always make sure that these two brackets are same. If they are not same, means you have done something wrong. Okay, so do check it by going in the previous steps. So far whatever we have done is correct. The last step is x minus 6, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and I will write down the answer over here. So when I will solve, it will be x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is the product of two numbers. If it is 0, then either the first one will be 0, first one I mean to say this is 0, or the other one is 0. So from here I will get the value of x as 6 or x is equal to 2. So these are the answers. This is solved exactly in the same manner how we solve a quadratic, but if you remember, we started from the equation which was not a quadratic. So this is what we wanted to learn in this video. I hope that you are clear with what we have discussed in this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you really find these videos useful, and do come for the next video very soon.